This is Pioneer's MVH-200EX. This is an in-dash AM/FM multimedia receiver with a 6.2-inch touchscreen. The MVH-200EX has 3 sets of RCA outputs for operating external amplifiers and has a 13-band graphic EQ built in. The system features multicolor illumination and optional steering wheel remote control input. The USB and auxiliary inputs can be used to connect your phone and play back MP3 music and MP4 videos. The system features built-in Bluetooth for both hands-free calling and wireless streaming audio. Let's take a look and see what's in the box. All right, we have here. First thing up is the wire harness. Now we use the wire harness here to connect the power and ground and speakers and so forth from the vehicle to the in-dash receiver. Next is a handful of installation screws. There are some install screws. Next up is the USB extension. Now the USB extension is here because the USB port is on the back of this receiver, and we'll use the USB extension to bring that USB port up into the passenger compartment. Next up we have the Bluetooth microphone. Here's the Bluetooth mic. Now the Bluetooth microphone here comes on a wire about 10 feet long or so for a very flexible installation. Then we have the warranty card. There's the warranty card. And finally we have the quick start guide. There we go. There's the quick start guide. And please remember that you can download a complete copy of the owner's manual right to your phone in PDF form. Okay, so let's get the head unit up out of here. There we go. The front panel of the MVH-200EX has the volume control right here. And the home key and display keys are here. The track advance keys are here. You'll do most of your interaction with the in-dash receiver with the 6.2-inch touchscreen. Please note, the MVH-200EX does not play CDs. The back panel of the MVH-200EX has the USB port right here. And please remember that we include a USB extension in the box to bring that USB port up into the passenger compartment. The yellow jack here is for video output. And the brown jack is the dedicated backup camera input. This is the audio and video auxiliary input. Here are 3 sets of RCA outputs for operating external amplifiers. They are front, rear, and sub output. The wire harness connected to the vehicle will plug in right here. Here are 2 black jacks. The one on top is for the Bluetooth microphone included with the product, and the one on the bottom is for operating your steering wheel controls through a third-party adapter. And finally, the AM/FM antenna from the vehicle will plug in right here. And that is Pioneer's MVH-200EX and what's in the box.